Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix cannot update TikTok region. Now first up, what you can try to do is update your device and TikTok app. So just ensure both your device's software and the TikTok app are updated to the latest versions. Next, you can try changing your device's region settings. So just head to your device's settings, find the region or language and region option, and change it to your desired region. Next, you can try using a VPN. So just download and install a reputable VPN app, then connect to a server in the region you want to switch to, and open TikTok and see if the region has updated. Next, you can also try changing TikTok language preferences. So just open TikTok and head to your profile, then tap on the three dots or three lines in the top right corner to access settings. From there, head to content preferences and add the language of the region you want to see content from. And finally, you can also report the issue to TikTok. So if the above steps don't work, report the issue to TikTok support through the app to explain your problem in detail. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.